Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. So we are getting a lot of queries regarding the RCIP program, especially the employer's eligibility criteria. So earlier when the rural northern immigration pilot was in force, then at that time there was no specific eligibility criteria for the employers. But right now, the employer has to be 2 years old in the community, in the participating community, and the business should be continuously running for the past 2 years. So, in case there was any problem and the business had to shut down and then they started again, that kind of an employer will not be able to support the employees under this program. Secondly, 75% of the business should be running within the boundaries of the community. Then the very important thing to keep in mind is that any staffing agency or a consultancy cannot provide a job offer and support anybody under this program. Uh, any immigration firm cannot support any employee under this program. So please be very careful while getting a job offer from any employer. Make sure these things are taken into consideration. Uh, and another thing, not all knock codes will be eligible under this program. Each community will have their priority knock codes listed probably after a month or so. And then according to that listing, you can see if you are eligible under this program or not. One last thing to take care of is that the employers will have to be designated under this program, and the employer designation will start from April. The entire details will be posted regarding the designation program. So once the employer is designated, they can then apply for the recommendation. If you need any support or assistance regarding this application, please feel free to get in touch with us. If you have any queries, we are here to help you. Be careful in selecting your employers. Be sure that they are meeting all the eligibility criteria before you ask them to support you under this program.